New York still cleaning up the damage, especially beachfront properties that were hit with both water and wind. This extreme weather coming a little over a year after Linda Carr's home along Hoover Beach took severe damage from high winds. Remember, reporter Hannah Buehler walked us through the damage from that mid-November storm. And tonight, Hannah is back at Hoover Beach, where Carr's home has taken another huge hit.
The winds are still whipping here along Hoover Beach in Hamburg, and those living here tell me they have done everything they can just to keep their homes from any further damage. But for one Hamburg woman, it has happened again.
I had an island in the kitchen. This is the granite from the kitchen that was all over. Sink, refrigerator's gone. It was here last night. By this morning, it was moved down the hallway.
Linda Carr lost most of her home last November after a brutal storm pounded her lakeshore property with waves and wind gusts.
And all of the walls just tore completely out.
We caught it all live on Facebook when we first met Carr. Carr tells me she's taken several steps to rehab her home. These pictures show the work that's been done since last November. A new break wall, new doors, structural replacements. But this past weekend, gusts up to 75 miles an hour and 20-foot waves tore through all the progress Carr had made.
The stronger I build, it seems like Mother Nature is stronger.
She says she hasn't lived in this house since last year.
So it's just additional damage on top of what already happened last year.
This dash cam video from the town of Hamburg shows just how high floodwaters were Saturday along Hoover Beach. The town of Hamburg says rescue crews evacuated 2 homes. 4 adults and 2 pets were sent to a warming shelter.
When you hear these forecasts, I mean, you must just cringe.
Yeah, absolutely. Because the lake's different. The last 3 years, we've had a storm every year. And again, I've had this house 28 years, and it was never like this before.
And now she says she's done.
I can tell you, a year ago when this happened, I was definitely going to rebuild, definitely. But when this storm happened, Saturday, I just said, I can't. The lake is too volatile. I just can't do it.
Linda tells me at this point she can't even think of living in this home again. She says she's going to rehab it as much as she can and sell it or knock it down and sell the lot. In Hamburg, Hannah Buehler, 7 Eyewitness News.